Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting review for you guys. This is Rosalind Dipping Powder. They sell their powders on Amazon, so if you're a Prime member, you can get your free shipping. And I'm excited because, spoiler, I really loved this kit. So it didn't come with liquids, so it's all dip powder. It came with 12 powders, and each package has its own kind of like theme to it. One package is all like reds and pinks, and the other one is grays and blacks. And there's glitters in here, and the glitters wowed me. So I really like that it came in like this secure packaging. So I knew that the jars weren't going to open in transit, and everything is nice and snug in there. But look at those glitters on the bottom row. Anyways, I'm going to go through, open all of these jars, show you guys the swatches so you guys can see how gorgeous these are up close and personal. So these are some of the colors that came in the more muted gray tone kit. This is a gorgeous like gold, champagne gold glitter. It's a mix. I really like it in the jar. This one's a silver glitter, like a white silver, not holographic, thank goodness, not my favorite. This looks like it's a white dip, a black dip, and let's see what this one is, a gray dip. So yeah, those are nice. Oh, and a rose gold dip. So I'm going to go ahead and open the next package with all of like the pinks and reds and nudes in there, and just do a quick pass through, and then we're going to get to swatching. So the black only required 1 coat for full coverage, and that blows me away. Anyways, I'm going to activate and top coat these, but before I get into showing you guys the finished result, I have a really cool product I want to show you guys. So I was sent this French dipping mold and powder tray to review and try out. So I thought, you know what, this video is the perfect time to try it because I want to try a marble. So these trays that I'm pulling out right here, they're meant to be like catching trays. So you remove the top and you put your finger right here over the well. You dump over your powder after you put on your base bond, and then it catches it, and then you pour it back over when you want to do your nail again. So it's really, really freaking cool. But the only thing I'm going to be using for this video is the top. It's the French dipping tray, because I'm going to teach you guys, or well, not teach you guys, but it's my first time trying this technique. I learned it from Miranda's Nails Creations, and she uses clear to do her marbles. It is so freaking cool. It saves you from using too much of your colored powder. Clear is so cheap. You can find it anywhere for dirt cheap. That's the marble I'm going to be showing you guys. Anyways, so what you do is you dump a little bit of clear into your French dipping mold. Not as much as I did because I did a lot here. All right, while I level that out, you want to make sure your clear is completely leveled out. So tap it on the table until the powder levels out and it's kind of flat. And then you're going to take whatever solid color you want to work with. I'm going to choose the red today, and I think what it's going to do is really cool. It almost looks like blood splatter. So I take like this little swatch stick right here, and I just put little bits of red in different spots around the top of the clear. So you don't want them too close together, nor do you want them far away, and you don't want to dump huge amounts. So you want small amounts because like your nail isn't that long, unless you have really long nails, of course. Anyways, so then if you want to add more colors, this is where you're going to do it. I actually want to work with the silver, so I want to add some pizzazz and some glitter. So I'm going to put silver down in other areas around the red so they're close together. Now we have to kind of mix it. So I'm using this dotting tool. You can use anything that's kind of sharp, and I'm just doing like figure swirls around the powder, and I do it a couple times so that everything kind of gets blended, but not too blended because you don't want it like insanely blended so it doesn't look like a blob. So what I'm doing is I actually have my nail or my swatch already dipped and prepared. So I did 2 dips of white on my swatch. So if you're doing this on the nail, make sure your nail is already dipped in the solid background color that you want it to be. Whether it's black, blue, yellow, whatever color, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to add base bond to your nail and then lay it flat right over all that powder you just put in the dipping tray. Kind of let it sit there. Tap off any excess, flip it over, and see the magic that you just did on your nail. I think it looks really freaking cool. So according to Miranda, you can do this on several nails. So you can use that same powder the way it's laying in the tray 3 or 4 more times. So if you're doing all your nails as marbles, you can take advantage of it and you don't have to fix all that powder for each nail. Like, it'll last. All right, so this is what the marble looks like. I really love it, but that's not what the whole video is about. So I'm going to show you guys the swatches of all the colors, glossied up, really gorgeous. And anyways, if you guys like this video, let me know, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video because we got some Halloween designs coming up.